Well, good morning, everybody. Take two. It is a catchy and wacky fishing kind of a day out on Okachi. It's the end of June, last Sunday. Hit a fishing tournament out here yesterday. Heard there was like 30 some odd boats. Top bag was over 18 pounds for 5 fish. So we're coming on the aftermath of the bass tournament. Let's see what fish they didn't catch. Look at all those geese. Look at them. They're all hanging out by the buoy. It's a whole flock of geese. Look at it. Wow. Such a beautiful day. Just went over a rock pile here. Kind of work our way up. Kind of coast on out. Miss Ruby is going to be fishing out the front. She's got her Cincos, a drop shot. Getting her GoPro going. I'm throwing a chatterbait. Seeing if we can find any stragglers. See what's happening here. Do a little drifting. See if there's anything more than just 1 pounders, 1.5, which are always fun to catch with the family, but let's see if we can't find some bigger quality fish. See what happens here. Watch out for buoy lines. They'll get you. Oh. Oh, big one. Can you put the boat in reverse? Oh, not that big. But a nice fish. Oh yeah, look at that. A smallie, who would have thought that? Oh, get over here. Good job, Rubes. There you go. Look at that smallmouth. Who would have thought that one? Beautiful fish. Yeah, this is a smallie. Nice job, boat captain. Ruby, getting us out of there. Yeah, you can put us in neutral. I'll get that figured out. First fish!
Yay! My line's still.
Oh, okay. Well, you might as well go get that. Well, I didn't want to run into the... Didn't want to run into the boat. Nice. They keep wanting to put their head back in their shell. Oh, got one. There we go. Yeah, I can see now why Anthony was saying that he was catching little guys. But yeah, nice little fish. I want to catch a turtle, but I don't want to catch the turtle. Is that what you said?
I said I want to catch a turtle, but not with my hook.
Sure. Oh, he came off. You see that? Came right for my face.